Well, Miss Moneypenny, since we have a bird in our midst, don't you think? What's your name? Your name is what? Goldfinger. Goldfinger? Our Goldfinger? I got rid of you years ago. Used to paint all the chicks gold. So what am I to do with you, Mr. Goldfinger? Huh? I see you have a golden head. Oh, did you just pooped on Daddy's thing? Yes, you did. Well, we'll have to get some Kleenex and clean that up. Can't have you mucking up Dad's desk right now. Yes. Oh, what a mess. Well, Mr. Goldfinger, I think you're tired. I think you need a bath, too. You stink. You smell like a little birdie. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Look at that birdie. Look at that bird. Where's the birdie? There's the birdie. See? Goldfinger. He's a bird with a Midas touch. A wiry touch. Such a cold finger beckons you to enter his web of sin. But don't go in. Golden words he will whisper in your ear. Yes. What do you think? What do you think, Goldfinger? Do you like Miss Moneypenny? You prefer Pierce Brosnan over me? Daniel Craig? Roger Moore?